Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy things on Temu. First, head over temu.com. Then you're going to see the platform and the website or the marketplace, name it as you want. Before navigating and searching for any product, I highly recommend for you to register or sign in within an account on the platform because we need to set up the shipping address and also the information about us. So this will make at the end of the day the checkout easier for you. So you are going simply to set it up once for all and you can buy at any time on a Temu without setting up again the details. So you are going to click on sign in or register. So you can go ahead and connect with your Google account, or you can go ahead and set up the traditional method, which is going to be writing down your email address and the password creation. After that, you're going to be good to go. So I'm going simply to continue with my Google account. And here we have the favicon of the account. So you are going to get right there your profile, some coupons and offers, some credit balance, the wish list products, and also the followed providers or source of the product or the stores. So you are not going to take a long time navigating through the website if you know already what you are going to buy. So the resume of this platform or this marketplace is going to be right there detailed with categories, recommended categories. Here it is going to be based on the or your behavior on the website for searching items or saving your keywords that you have set up. You're going to get, for example, the monthly offers or the limited time offers or top picks for you that will get, for example, here a sale for you, especially if they are going to be here running out of stock from this product. And here at the top, we are going to see the bestsellers product, 5-star rated product, new arrivals, and the categories, and also the search bar at the top. If you want to here find out a product that you're going to seek for, you can go ahead and type in 1, 2, or 3 keyword of that product, and you are going to get it right there. Or you can go ahead and set the bestseller products. You're going to get from here a security verification by Temu. I don't know why it is popping from here to there, but it is okay. You can bear with that. Now, as you can see, we have the best-selling products, and let's take here a look for the 5 stars rated. Since these products are going to be here the best for or the best products that have a 5-star reviews, do not forget to verify the product reviews and also the quality of this. So you can go ahead and click on the product and see the review to check the quality of that. So you are going to see here the item reviews and also the provided reviews. So if you have seen some pictures, that would be awesome. So you are going to get here a correct look for that product in real life. So you can go ahead and click on see all reviews and take here a guess on a picture that a product or a client have posted for that product. And here we have it. Now, also, you can go ahead and check the store right there, the rate of the store, the quality, also for the reviews of the store. So we have here a general review of the store and also some products that are going to be attached right there for the picture and everything. Now, aside from that, you are going to get some deals before buying anything. So you are going to head over the sellers or the store of that seller. You can go ahead and click on follow, and from that, the seller will send you, for example, a monthly quota of let's say here promo codes or any type of discounts that they have going on. Also, you can go ahead and type in on Google. For example, you can go ahead and head over Google search engine and set up here or type in Temu discounts, for example, discounts or discount codes, and search for any type of coupons and deals going on. So you are going to see either in the website itself or any other forum that will give you a cashback or a promo code or a coupon, and etc. Apply it in the end of the buy-in process. So let's start by here setting up or buying right there a product. So I'm going to head over the new arrivals. So we are going to take any one of the products right there. I'm going to select this one, and we're going to see here the quantity selector, the add to cart option, or buy it now for the faster dispatch. As you can see, it is going on right there from the seller. You can get here the information about the shipping. You can get the shipping fee right there, or free if ordering has a past or increase of the $30 from this local. So basically, if you are going to buy two products from there or a quantity of two, you're going to get a free shipping. So you are going to see the details, the manual of construction. As you can see, since it is a product that is going to be here manually assembled. So here we have the photos and also how we can do that, or the right dimensions of the product for the shipping purposes. You can go ahead and add it to the cart, and then either you can go ahead and keep shopping and this item in your cart, or you can go ahead and get to the cart right there. And also you can go ahead either do an express checkout with PayPal, or put the checkout right there. So free shipping on items shipped from Temu. So this is an item shipped from Temu. So we don't have the seller discount, but we have the Temu discount of the shipping. So you are going to click on here. Now you are going to set up the first name, last name, the phone number, the address, or you can go ahead and insert it manually, for example. So this is the automatic address searcher. So you can go ahead and type in here a name, for example, Mike, last name, for example, Lily, as an example. The name, we can go ahead and put it here, a name, or not a name, but a phone number. Continue the payment. Then you are going to see here the address or the shipping mail right there, and pay right there with the local currency of your card or your country. If you have a promo code or a coupon, go ahead and take it right there, and then you are going to apply it. So, and this is how we can do that. Also, you can go ahead and see the payment methods. We have here cards, PayPal, Google Pay, and also Klarna. Also, we can have also the Scala Pay. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon on the next one.